So hello guys and what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can use timer and grid in your Snapchat account. So here we go. At first you have to go in your Snapchat account, and after that you have to go in this right side down arrow. You can see you have to click here, and after that you can see this timer. So this timer is now off and you have to turn on by clicking once. It will be become on, and you will can see that it have on. So if you click again once, it will become off. So again you can use this grip. If you touch once, it will become this grid. Again if you touch again once, if it will become off. So guys, this how you have to do in this Snapchat accounts. So guys, if you really like this video, hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.